So today what I am doing is I'm going to be cleaning my room. So my room's not that messy, but it's a mess, sorta. So I tried to film a video like this yesterday, but when I was getting to edit it and stuff, it said the video could only be 15 minutes long. So I was like, that's weird. So basically, now I'm gonna retry to do it and do it under 15 minutes. So my bed's a little messy. The sheets off, the stuffed animals are everywhere. The blankets are on the floor, so I just gotta pick those up. And then we have this black gob over here that I'm probably going to try to pick up if we have the spare time to do that. So I think we should just get right into it. How about you guys? Okay, so if you guys think, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button and down below, and make sure you turn on the post notifications. And my night routine has 199 views, so let's try to get it to 200. So first what I do is I do my bed. Now you see how it's messy. So let's clean that up real quick. So we're gonna put these on the floor. My sister's dress on the floor. Throw my wig from Halloween on the floor. The stuffed animals, the clothes. Now, I'm trying to do this fast because, as I said, last time they said I could only do 15 minutes. Normally that don't happen, but I'm okay with that. It's fine. I can't argue about it. If it says that, it says that. So, I can't do anything about it. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the bed. So this just helps the sheet stay down. Well, sorta. It don't help it stay down, but it gives it some shining. Then we put on the pillows. Then we put on the blanket I sleep with. It don't ever look so great that you guys would be like, oh, your bedroom's so perfect. It's not perfect. It's never going to be perfect because of I'm messy. When a girl's messy, never messy. So, now we're going to put a little bit, it's a blanket as well. We're just going to lay it across there to give it some shining instead of having a plain old brown blanket on there. We're going to get some zebra. Now we're going to start on the floor. So, let me get you guys right down there. And we are back. Because we didn't leave. I just carried you guys down here, you know. Carrying's always fun. So we got a couple Wii games on the floor. As you guys know, I have a Wii. So I just have this bucket full of Wii games. And nunchucks. You know. The normals. But when I did clean the room last night, me and my sister were playing the Wii, and we messed it up. So, yay. So basically, this is how we sort of clean the room. It's just sort of in there. Because, sometimes this isn't how we always do it. Sometimes it's different. Sometimes it's not different. Just, there's multiples of things that we do with our room. So this isn't the big one, but I'm not going to waste my time on that. So we just pick up a couple things that's around this. And now we're going to pick up the clothes So I'll come back to you after I get my little clothes folded. Nope, didn't work. Let's try to teleport it again. So I got half of the room done with the clothes. So now I'm gonna move on to the middle, and then I'm gonna go to the other side, and then come back to this side to get all the trash and stuff like that up. Yeah, let's do that. And we're back again. Sorry about that lighting. That lighting is horrible. This lighting's better. Alright, so we got the middle done. So this is how the progress has gone so far.